Galenki Production.
Oja Tike. Freedom, freedom. All we need is freedom. Equality, justice. When these things will be free. Say freedom, freedom. All we need is freedom. Equity, fairness. When these things will be free. I dream of a country where justice prevails. I dream of a nation where love is real. I dream of a country where sanctity of life is assured. The land of milk and honey, the land of the rising sun. A country where we won't be judged by tribe or by colors of skin. A country united in love, bound by one purpose and goal, where we shall be free. Where we will be in peace and unity, where we shall be free. The land of the rising sun. Let me hear you say freedom, freedom. All we need is freedom, equality, justice. But these things will be free. Running on my mind, child. Will the youth ever rise up to correct mistakes of the past? So give our children the legacy of systems invented by us. Show them how far they can go, simply by being like us. Then they will not be afraid to connect wholly to their roots. Then it shall be like the olden days. Wakanda restored, then we shall be free.